ERPNext is a free open source ERP system built on the FRUP framework, offering modules for accounting, HR, manufacturing, CRM, inventory, and more ideal for small to mid-sized businesses. Its biggest advantage, it's completely free if you self-host, and users love its flexibility and active community. It's modern, intuitive, once familiar, and highly customizable for startups, non-profits, or even factories. However, it's not plug and play. Setup has a learning curve, documentation is still patchy, and without a tech savvy team member, deployment can be tricky. While it offers broad functionality, some features may require tweaking or extensions to work well. Bottom line, ERP Next is powerful and cost effective if you're willing to invest time in setup. It's not the fastest to deploy, but with the right effort, it can rival many paid ERP systems.